I just.
Whose Devon cat is doing it? Because it's not mine.
I genuinely, well, I'm like all the way up here, the xpanthera.fbx, but like I just baked non-driven blend shapes. I don't know what's going on there.
It's VRIK. VRIK is always going to be heavy.
How am I doing well?
Is the event?
Honestly, I mean, it's less than 0.3 milliseconds, so my understanding is less than 0.3 is good.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. And why am I doing so bad?
There's a lot of systems.
I just feel like shit now.
True.
Brain is breaking.
Okay.
Quickly to the dueling zone.
Okay.
I don't need it. I thumb my revolver. Alright, I'm ready.
I missed.
That'd be so fun if I could blow the smoke out of the barrel of my revolver. That'd be probably hell to implement.
I'm gonna use my other hand. Just because I'm trying to practice here, not.
Yeah. Youch. I think I hit you in the foot. I keep... Consistently, I shoot lower than I should be. Fairly consistently. Oh,
I clicked.
That time. That was definitely a click before I pulled the trigger, though, so I would have been gone.
I think we would have traded. I think that's going to be the...
Well, either way, I wouldn't have made it.
I wouldn't say that. I mean, we traded the first time.
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
See, make sure I have...
Would have been a trade, but, I mean, both of us would have had a funeral, so...
We're immortal, can't you tell?
Are you closer than regulation? Yes.
Alright, how are they doing here?
What the heck happened to my hand? I missed the draw.
I just walk over and immediately see Mr. Neon smoking someone.
The one thing I can hope
I think I heard
happens all
Lucian
the
start to say something, but he's like outside of the dueling zones. So it got cut off as soon as I stopped ragdolling.
Oh yeah, when you die, yeah.
You just hear the
and then
spectator?
nothing.
Yeah. Just hang around till it starts.
I'm actually not sure of all the people that are present that actually plan on partaking.
I missed.
We could just bring out the sign-up sheet now and just let everyone start signing up.
Okay.
Fair
I don't know
enough, yeah,
why
you got a point
it
there. You got a point
cocks
there. Let me go ahead and grab
the
that
thing
one.
back. My hand is all the way over here.
Let me make double sure. Yeah.
For me, as long as it's visible from over here, that should be fine.
Open it up and
Thank you,
shoot
sir.
me.
Yeah.
I'll join.
Are you joining the tournament? Fantastic.
Sure, I have food poisoning, but I will do my best.
Hey, Doc
dying to the
Holliday was
left.
dying of tuberculosis, and he was still able to do it. So
I'm going to
Very
dying
high
of
and to the
dysentery
left.
while
I
on
shot
the
the
field
church.
anyway. So
being a good
Like,
sport.
the
Being a good
second
sport.
story of the church.
I'm glad that you're here
Is
to
there a
compete.
second story?
I didn't know what was going on tonight.
Good to see you joining.
Yeah.
Howdy,
so long
everybody.
as
I
don't
can't
have to
see.
Make an immediate run to the outhouse. You know, should be okay.
That's
Oh my god. Are we still in practice right now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're still practicing.
Also, hi, Aura Boy.
Hello. Seeing the Blitz is now online notification, just like he's absolutely
Right in
probably
the
gonna win this
kneecap.
tournament. So
He's out for
taken
blood.
both of your
specifically
kneecaps
everyone.
actually. No.
We just gotta go misses or
This is gonna be a doozy in the tournament if we end up
it's
against each other.
because it's my fault because of my latency. It's just
Nah, it's fine. Oh wait, sorry, I'd started that before.
yeah, you're good. I missed. You good? You got it.
I'm fairly
So
certain that was a headshot.
If this was it, you would have won.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, yeah, let me also exit the
I'll
I
give
miss
it a
my
shot.
frames.
Ooh, there go my frames.
Who do you want to go again? So, any one of you in the audience, if you can click that whenever you say you're ready. I don't know. I think we'll say we're ready for the tournament, whatever. But are you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Damn it.
Ready?
You ready? Yep.
Yeah, mostly.
Damn it. My aim is ass.
Ready?
Ready.
Clicked. Fuck.
I did it once. It's always the gun, never the shooter,
A
right?
good cowboy
You
blames
ready?
their gun.
Guns don't kill people. I do, yeah.
You do? You kill people? That's crazy.
It's from a movie.
I'm live.
We're ready?
Ready. I think, anyway.
For fuck's sake. You guys saw that. You saw that.
I'm looking because
Thank you.
frame rates.
This is crazy.
As long as it makes
Oh no.
Get my trackers resituated. You ready?
Yeah.
I'll do it in Cowboy
Oh my
Surrender.
god, I'm almost out of VRAM. This never happens.
Yeah, I turned off the shadows.
You ready?
This is the
Yeah.
first time it's ever
Ready.
gotten this high. I'm shocked. Oh, we need those outdoor lights.
Nice.
Yes.
Increase your culling distance to like 2 meters.
Your
Every
reaction
time I-
time.
Every time I come back up,
Your reaction time is very quick. You just need to just shoot from your waist because I see you raising
Yeah.
your hand completely. Like that is absolutely. But you
Yeah,
have
just-
very quick reaction time.
Turning
off Okay.
shadows also helps.
Yeah.
Yes, turning off shadows also helps.
joining this time.
Good, fantastic. Go ahead and sign in. Go ahead and sign up.
Yes, boss.